Hi, my name is George and I'm trying to eat. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. The reason why this is a voiceover is because most of the audio was bad because of the external factors, but I made it work. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. The tour guide was trying to tell us things, but the guys, we were all eating and I'm sure no one was listening, especially that guy. Isn't nature beautiful? Look at that. This is my first time at Busowoko Falls. I swear next time we're getting on that boat. This time we didn't plan properly, so yeah, there's always a reason to come back, and this is it. We are at Busowoko Falls and we are trying to have a good time.
So we are explorers. Yes, this was discovered by James, my namesake. I'm Jonah.
So this guy,
Every time you see water,
he's trying to tell me that someone can swim from there.
These things are done by daily people.
Everybody's having a good time. Now look at our explorer, James, Jonah, just there casually enjoying the water while the ladies thrust over him. You know, this guys are having a good time. But Busowoko is a nice place though. It's nice. I want you to look at this guy in black, and I want to prove to you that he's not from this world. He's from Atlantis. Yeah, Atlantis, like Aquaman's world. So yeah, these guys, they take people on this experience. It's a beautiful experience from the look of it. Yeah, if you have like a mini death wish or you're an adrenaline junkie, I think this is for you. So that this guy, the reason why I'm telling you to like observe him is he takes people, he's that tour guide, but he has no helmet. He's that experienced. The water accepted him, I guess, and I believe he can breathe in water. If you reach this level, I think flowing in the river Nile, like, yeah, you need to have some powers. Rabbits are finding love before you. Dang.